Look at them dancing. They all held hands all on their own together to dance.
Wow.
What are you guys doing? You're dancing? Is that fun?
It's a dancing. Whoa.
What's Daddy doing?
Cormac went over and said hold hands, and he took them both.
Oh, yeah.
You're tired?
Do it again. Cut. Mommy.
Colin, where's Dookie?
That
Do you love Dookie?
Yes.
Want to smooch him? Give him a smooch.
Yes.
Aw, Dookie's tired.
Mommy.
What, Karen? Yes, Karen. No, we're not playing that right now. Mommy just cleaned everything up. Karen, say cheese.
Cheese.
Yeah, look at the camera and say it.
Cheese.
Okay. What are you going to do, Karen? Cormac, he wants to dance with you, he said. All right, here we go. Okay, hold on. The next dancing session has begun. Why don't you sing a song? Wait. You should all sing the theme song. Why don't you sing ABCs? Are you guys dizzy now from all that spinning? He said do it again, Cormac.